Dear football, you weren't my first love, but you and I have always gotten along. You've introduced me to a lot of people I now call friends, and have given me opportunities that are life-changing. Collaboration, discipline, trust, leadership, and grit are some of the things I have learned from you. Although you take up a lot of my time, the feeling I get when I'm with you under those fall Friday nights, under the lights, is like no other. You have my heart racing and excited. You've been with me since I was 4 years old. We have a relationship older than the relationships I have with most of my friends. I've learned that you are quiet and don't give away your secrets easily. You are simultaneously an escape and a war zone. Within you are a million different techniques, alignments, assignments, plays, and moving parts. Yet that's only one play. You're complicated, yet simple. But the more time I put into you, the better I understand you. At this point, I can almost hear what you're trying to tell me. Only the strong survive you. And I'm not referring to any physical stature, but you test the strength of souls and will. Only between your white lines are the men separated from the boys. You call for a higher caliber person. Not just anyone can entertain you. Sincerely, thank you, Evan Rao.